Good day. In this video I will talk about the baker in Unreal Engine version 5.6.1. The lesson is designed mainly for beginners. I don't think it will be interesting for experienced users. Let's begin. I set the scene. I transferred all the geometry we need. You can learn about import in our other videos or in our course. We are disabling materials. Disable textures. Turn off the nanites and collisions. I added white HDR to the textures. We will use it on sky. Let's start. Creating a new level. The name doesn't matter. Open. Ready? I'll add light sources right away. Directional Lighthouse skylight. Then post-process. And sky atmosphere. We will set up the post-process so that it is infinite. Tick the box. We don't need this anymore. And now we will enter the geometry into the scene. Bedroom. We immediately reset the coordinates. Let's create a folder for the bedroom. Other interesting points that I noticed. In other earlier versions, by default when we transfer an object into the scene we have a light map resolution of 64. In 5.6.1 the resolution goes for. You see? I don't know what it's connected with. Maybe I said something somewhere in the settings. Well, keep that in mind. We put a tick on our objects and immediately we are left with 64. Just so that the first baking wouldn't be so scary. Further transfer ceilings. Also light map resolution. Create a folder. And reset the location. Great. Next we have floors. We do everything the same. And light map resolution. Set. Transfer kitchen. Set resolution and make folder. And reset the coordinates. Done. Turn the sun so that it is directed inside the room. Something like this. Now we transfer walls. And map resolution. Done. And finally, let's add windows and doors to the scene. Also don't forget the light map resolution and coordinates. Create the last window folder. Done. Now watch one more moment. We have windows here but there is no glass. Why? I will have curtains and tulle here according to the project, which completely cover the windows. That is, the glass will not be visible here at all, but in the kitchen it is located right here. Here it is glass. There will be Roman blinds, which will be up to half the window and the glass will be visible and the reflection too, so that light can appear inside. Right cast shadow and uncheck the box. Like this. The light appeared. Everything is fine in the other rooms too. What do we do next? If click build. Then we don't have GPU light mask displayed here. We need to enable it through plugins. Plugins are now located in this section. Edit, plugins. Write GPU light mask. Yes, restart, save everything. Done. Now the following settings. Open project setting. The first thing we write allow static. This is the check mark. It can be set as default, or it may not be set. We set and restart again. Now let's go to rendering here. So we have virtual textures enabled. For built-in Baker, thanks to them, we can make the same renders as, for example, like Corona, interactive. Let's put another tick here. He again demands a restart, little later. Now scroll down. Put a tick here. And put the hit lighting here. And the next thing we connect is ray trace shadow. Ready, restart. Great, now we're all set for baking. Press build. Click GPU light mass. Press build lighting. And nothing happens, because we didn't set up the light sources. We find them, they are at the very end. And what do we need to do? It is necessary to make the skylight static. Don't forget about it, otherwise baking will not occur. Sky atmosphere is also static. Directional light can also be made static, but then you won't be able to animate it. That is sunrise, sunset, I leave it movable. This will not affect the quality of lighting or brightness in any way. Another thing, we forgot to set up the skylight. Here we change it to this mode, so that HDR can be used. Go to textures and throw in HDR map. You can immediately increase its brightness. Well, let's set 10. These should be enough for sure. And we'll reduce the sun's brightness to 4. That's enough. And make it blurrier. I think this will be enough. We forgot one more parameter to configure the post process. This is the most important thing. Let's turn off bloom. I don't like it. Next we will set up the X position. Manual, check 1, check 2, and here we put 11. Well, that's roughly from my personal experience parameter. And now we continue with the settings. Scroll down. We'll roll all this up so it doesn't distract us. Enable Nong method. Otherwise baking won't work. Lumen reflection. Others do not suit us, and continue to do so. Transparency. Scroll down. Here it is. Switch to ray trace mode. Now click Build, GPU Light Mass. The real-time checkbox allows you to see the viewport, interactive. Full bake mode is a complete baking of the entire scene. Or baking only the visible area. Let's leave it like that. And you need to put a tick here. I already have it turned on, and you won't have it yet. And we see how the baking process goes. I'll say right away that in interactive mode the rendering takes longer, but since the quality has not yet been set, then everything is pretty fast. I'll turn it off. I'll set the full bake mode and turn on baking. The process goes pretty quickly. We have an elementary scene. The process is over. And this is what we see. We now need to adjust the light map resolution. To do this, go to the mode light map density. And let's see what we have here. Let's start. Let's start with the window. because it will be visible to us. Let's put 256 here. This is the wall and this is the closet. Let's put 128, I think that will be enough. These are our kitchen drawers. Set the resolution to 256. Kitchen base. Let's put 256 too. So these small cabinets to let 256. So what do we have going on here? We'll make this wall 128, I think that's enough. Front door will make 256 and the door frame, here it is, also 256. And the base of the hallway cabinets, let's put 256. Now let's look at the ceiling. It is blue, raise it to 256. Floors, these are tiles. Also set to 256 resolution. I think that's all for the kitchen. And also these cabinets here we have glass according to the project. Well, I think 128 will be enough for them. Done. I won't bring it to the red. Like this. Although it would be necessary. Here I think 256 resolution of the card is enough. On the doors can be raised up to 128. I think that's enough. Let's see what's going on in our bedroom. In our bedroom the window won't be visible. We have curtains here and tulle here. But we'll still make 128 a little better. We have this closet ceiling. The main ceiling is the bed. Floors, we'll set to 256. And let's see what's going on with us, it's enough. We'll make a cabinet behind the bed 1 to 8. And we'll make a wall here to 128. I think that's all. For now, so be it. We move to the children's room. Window lift to 128 and floors to 256. I'll switch to lit mode. Fine. And another thing, when we do baking without materials, it will always be quite dark in our room. So you can make a simple material. This is how I did it. Only color and roughness by 1. There is nothing else, and apply. Ceiling. Walls. Just to make it brighter. Okay, so one more thing. Light map density. Pay attention to this wall, it's all blue. Here we have stone imitation. This is how an object can behave when it doesn't have the first channel. That is, we will need to open it in 3ds Max and assign the first channel. And then throw it back into the Unreal and the problem will be solved. At the moment we have everything set up. And now let's do the baking. I'll turn off real time. Launch. It's considered a little longer now, but it's still normal. Let's see what we got here. Well, in general, it all looks like this. Again, if you add materials, then everything will become much brighter. Well, you can also increase the brightness. Let's open the post process. Let's go to the exhibition. Let's make 12, for example. Like this. About settings quality higher. It says so. Here we put 2048. Here 256 can be to 512. Here we put 4096. And here we put 2048. In theory, these settings should be more than enough for good final quality. Thanks for your attention. Good luck.